Hello, this is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a really nice vehicle, a fresh unit we just got in on trade, a 2010, only 70,000 miles, Chrysler Town Country Touring with dual power sliding doors and a manual rear entry Freedom Motors converted wheelchair accessible ramp. This is a nice vehicle, red, beautiful red color, brand new ramp. When we take in a Freedom Motors vehicle, a Kneelvan from the past, we redo the floors and everything, so the floors look brand new, the ramps look brand new. We refurbish. This has all been redone just now, just recently, all just parked it. Got bucket seats, dual power sliding doors, really nice clean van. Low mileage, only 70,000 miles, 2010 model. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. We've got a huge selection of vehicles. This is one of our lower priced ones. We've got a price of $19.95 on this one online. And they range all the way up to $70,000, $80,000 when you get into the Suburbans and the Sierras and the Chevy Silverados. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. We have a huge selection of hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles, cars, trucks, SUVs, vans. Check out our full inventory at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page, and thanks for watching my video and have a great day.